Thanks very much for that. Meantime, more than a dozen faith-based leaders in Baltimore have a news conference planned for later this morning. They're going to be calling for more COVID-19 testing and vaccination sites in Baltimore City. There's new data from the state which confirms that a lower percentage of people of color have been getting vaccinated. WMAR 2 News' Megan Knight is outside City Hall right now with that story. Megan.
And Christian, equity in distribution of the COVID-19 vaccine has been a focal point in the efforts to get as many people vaccinated as possible. And today, leaders of faith from all over Baltimore City are coming together to make sure that their neighbors, their worshipers, have access and resources to get that COVID-19 vaccine. And several of the leaders who are going to be at this morning's news conference also attended a virtual meeting with Dr. Anthony Fauci just last month to talk about what the faith community can do to encourage and help people get vaccinated. And it's clear by the data that more needs to be done to reach people of color. During a meeting last night of the Senate Vaccine Oversight Work Group, new data show that even though African Americans make up 35% of COVID-19 deaths in Maryland, only 15% have received a vaccine so far, and only 4% of the Hispanic and Latino population have gotten a shot. The acting health secretary, Dennis SCHRADER, said that they are working to do more outreach clinics, like one that they did last week at a church in Prince George's County. SCHRADER says he believes that events like that will be crucial in getting the vaccine to those harder to reach populations.
This event with, or not event, clinic that we're holding with AME Reed Temple is really critical because we need more people from the community who are standing up and saying that we need this vaccine.
Yeah, and combating that distrust in the vaccine also vital in getting people vaccinated. That meeting with those faith-based leaders here in Baltimore, that news conference set to happen this morning at 9:30 outside the War Memorial Plaza. We're live in downtown Baltimore. Megan Knight, WMAR 2 News.